Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Ritter, a tool sales specialist here at LDV, and today we're checking out Brandon Williams' stunning 26-foot Kenworth T-880. Congratulations, Brandon. Now let's go check it out. There are some great features on the exterior of Brandon's truck, like a custom front bumper, custom drop visor, 8K diesel generator on slides, bolt lights for additional reverse lighting, 7-inch exhaust stacks, slide-out trays in the exterior boxes, a rear camera wash system, custom liftgate pump box cover. There are also great features on the interior of the truck, mainly the tiger maple wood interior, a blackout ceiling with gray lacing. The L-shaped desk is on the passenger side. That leaves room for a 70-inch repair area on the driver's side. Deep and double maple floor drawers, lighted plexiglass on all shelves, a knife case in the entryway, and a swirl plate with a backlit snap-on S also in the entryway. Congratulations, Brandon, from all of us at LDV. If you guys think you like something like this, or if you want to upgrade into a different truck, feel free to give us a call today.